Dividend Income Testing. So as auditor, sometimes we come across such a situation where our client company has dividend income sitting in their income statement, and we have to confirm whether the dividend income amount in income statement is accurate. The way we do it is we get some confirmation whether the dividend rate that has been used for different stocks is accurate and correct. Usually we don't rely on client company provided data. So for example, if they can give you, just for example, they have given you dividend warrants they have received from their custodian or whatever source they have, and they are giving these documents to the auditor. Auditors generally don't rely on client provided details, so they usually go for independent source, which is outside of this organization. So in this case, auditor use different websites, such as the one we have seen in the last video. Yahoo Finance is one of the most popular website, and Yahoo Finance also provide dividend rates announced by different companies. Let me show you one quick example, so this will become more clear. Yahoo Finance. So I am picking Woolworth. Woolworth is one of the largest retail group in Australia. So I'm in the Woolworth page, and my aim is to see how much dividend Woolworth Group has announced during the year, during the financial year ending 30th June 2018. This is our audit financial year as well. So going to historical data, selecting my time period, which is from 07, which is July 1st 2017 up until June 30th 2018. Done. Apply. And these are the prices, but I'm interested in dividends only. So I'm selecting dividends and apply, and here you go. So during the financial year from 1st July up until 30th June, Woolworth has announced 2 dividends. First was on 7th September, the second one was on 1st March 2018, and these are the dividend amounts. So again, as I said in my previous video, if you have 1 or 2 stocks, that's fine, you can use Yahoo Finance. But if you have more than 50-60, it's going to take some time and efforts. So this is here where the data science magic, especially the Python magic, comes in. One single click and you will have a detail of dividend rate announced by more than 50 companies by pressing one click. So as I mentioned previously, you don't need to worry about all these block of codes. What all you need to worry about is a few amendments that you need to make in your case. So here, for example, dates. So in my case, I have selected the full financial year that I am auditing from 1st July 2017 up till 30th June. Whatever your financial year is, year end is, you can change it here. The start date and end date, self-explanatory, it's fine. Next one is, if you have a list of codes, which I've already explained in previous video, upload that file first in Azure. So this is the file that I have uploaded, and let me quickly show you once again that file. So this is the list of stocks that I'm interested in to see the dividend announced during the year. Easily available in Google. Just Google, you will get the file with their respective SX code, and then, as I mentioned, in order to get data from Yahoo Finance, you have to amend that code to insert .ax to let the Yahoo Finance know which stock exchange this script belongs to, and then just copy paste this code, and I'm reading it here. So I have uploaded this file. I already shown you in previous video, and this is here my script. I'm using this file, this code. All you need to do, if your file name is different, you can just change this bit, and whatever sheet you are using, give the sheet name. So once this is done, the last bit is as you are interested to receive all these dividend rates in Excel format, so you need to provide the file name, whatever file name you have your choice of file name. I use dividend, you can use dividends, prices, whatever you prefer, you just name it. And once you are happy with your amendments, just click this magical button, I would say, run. So as I mentioned previously, this asterisk basically suggesting that the things are in process. It will change into 1, 2 or some kind of digit. That means the process is done. So once this is changed, it will process done. At the moment it's doing it. So let's see how much time Python is taking to give me dividend amounts announced during the year for more than 50 stocks. So 12, 14, so it's plus minus 10, 15 seconds. The process not finished yet. Done. It took less than 1 minute. Let's see. So my aim is to go into my list of documents in Azure Notebook and try to find this file, dividend.csv. So I'm going to my project, it's like a kind of refreshing to see the new file. Going to testing, this is my project testing for it, and I'm interested to see dividend.csv. This is my file, dividend.csv. So here are my dividends. The stock ticker, action is dividend, the dividend value is a dollar amount, and this stock has announced 3 dividends during the year. Let me copy and save it into Excel. So download will not give you the desired result. This is slightly different to what I have did in the last video. This time we have to copy and paste into Excel from here. So I just click one place